Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 3 Screencast video. So, as I mentioned in my announcement here, we are moving away from love letters, begin working with the textbook and how to develop a topic for your narrative. Textbook in Chapter 2 covers all that you need to know about the literacy narrative and helping you decide on a topic. Ultimately, at the end of the week, we will take a look at two examples that I have in the textbook for the literacy narrative. They're located in the appendix beginning on page 51. So I will cover that and possible topics for you in your weekly lecture video. And as I say here, it'll come out about midweek. So I've got a couple of emails about where to find a textbook. And if you have looked at my orientation video, you would know that the syllabus page here contains the Google Doc format of the textbook. Also, if you want a PDF version to download, you can download and save the PDF version here in the textbook. There is a copy of the textbook in the files section. So if you were to look in the file section, you would find a copy of the textbook there also. So let me close that off. All right. So once again, let me get to the modules here in the readings, and also I post my lecture videos in the module there on the readings page. Here's the lecture video from week 2. Also the link to the Google Doc version of the textbook, and also with the page numbers that we will be focusing on for the rest of this particular unit. Okay, so if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email, and that is where you can find all the tools to start up this week 3 schedule, which will be discussion boards number 4 and number 5. So once again, any questions, please send me an email.